Can you really flatten your stomach in just 1 week? Yes. If you're ready to move, wet, and stay committed. This isn't magic. It's momentum. No gym, no equipment, just you and me. Let's start your transformation right now. Hey friends, welcome back. Or if you're new here, I'm your name, your workout buddy. Today, we're doing an intense flat stomach routine that works fast, and it's all from home. No equipment, no excuses. This workout will target belly fat, strengthen your core, and get you feeling amazing in just 7 days. Just show up daily. That's the secret. All right, ready to get started? Let's warm up. Okay, 2-minute warm up. Let's get that body ready. High knees, 30 seconds. Lift your knees up, engage your core, and get your heart rate going. Torso twists, 30 seconds. Hands up, twist side to side. Wake up those obliques, standing. Toe touches, 30 seconds, alternate sides. Stretch and activate those abs. Plank walkouts, 30 seconds. Bend down, walk your hands into a plank, then walk back up. Core tight the whole time. Nice work. You're warm and ready. Time to crush this workout. Here's the plan. 2 rounds, 6 moves each. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds rest. I'll guide you through every step. Let's go. Round 1. Crunch, reach ups. 40 seconds. Lie down, legs up. Reach for your toes. Exhale as you lift. Keep it steady. You've got this. Flutter kicks. 40 seconds. Hands under your hips. Kick low and fast. Keep that core tight and breathe through it. Bicycle twists. 40 seconds. Opposite elbow to opposite knee. Twist with control. Work those side abs. Plank with hip dips. 40 seconds. Forearm plank. Dip hips side to side. Control every move. Feel that burn? That's progress. Reverse crunches. 40 seconds. Lift your knees and hips up. No swinging. Just squeeze that lower belly. Mountain climbers. 40 seconds. Drive those knees in fast. Push through. This is where it counts. Take 20 seconds rest between each move. Breathe. Reset. You're doing amazing. Round 2. Toe touch pulses. 40 seconds. Reach high with small pulses. Feel those upper abs fire up. Leg raises. 40 seconds. Lift and lower your legs slowly. Control the movement. Squeeze that core tight. Heel taps. 40 seconds. Lie down. Feet flat. Tap your heels side to side. Obliques on fire. Spider-Man plank. 40 seconds. In a plank, bring your knee to the side, alternate, and stay strong. Almost there. V-ups. 40 seconds. Legs and arms come up together. Struggling? Bend your knees. Just keep moving. Plank hold. 40 seconds. Final move. Stay strong. Hold your form. You're so close. Don't give up now. Amazing work. Let's cool down and recover. Child's pose. 20 seconds. Relax. Deep breath in and out. Cobra stretch. 20 seconds. Open up your abs and lift your chest. Stretch through the front body. Seated. Forward fold. 20 seconds. Reach for your toes. Let your spine relax. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. You did that. That's how change starts. Let me remind you, real results take effort, not perfection. You showed up. You pushed through. You chose progress. 1 week can change everything if you stay consistent. Don't worry if it was hard. Hard means it's working. You're building strength. You're building confidence. Keep going. You've got this. If you finish this workout, I'm so proud of you. Hit that like button if your abs are burning right now. Drop a comment and let me know how you feel. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got a new challenge coming tomorrow. Come back daily. Stay consistent. And that flat stomach? It's closer than you think. See you in the next workout. Let's keep crushing it together.